Hello guys, welcome to Architectural World. So today I want to be showing you guys how and what you need to be doing in all the plan. Like I have a class already that is related to everything you need to know about plan arrangement. You can check it up there, you can click it, or you can also check on our channel for all these updates. First of all, let's tell you guys that after you design, there is a way you arrange your plan. There are layers you have to follow, guidelines that you need to follow in order to arrange a well complete design plan. First of all, this is the front page. You can see here, this is the front page. We have this front page consists of page 1 and page 2. Now this is the page 2. This is the page 2 of your building plan. Before you print anything, you must make sure you have all this. Then after that, you add the architectural drawing. Then from there, you have the site analysis. This is the site analysis, which is very important and vital. So if you don't know how to do your site analysis, please click the video in our channel to make sure you know what you are doing. So after the site analysis, that is when you will now begin to think about your ground floor section. It's coming up. This is your ground floor section. You can see very well. This is where all the plotting of this plan is. And for you to be able to build this structure properly, you need this. And after that, you have your door and window schedule. You know, after your ground floor, you raise your block wall, then you have your door and your window schedule. The numbers of doors, the size of doors and windows and everything. This is where you state them for the engineer to understand. So after that, the next thing is your roof plan. This is the roof plan. You can see very well. This is the roof plan. We call it the roof section and also the foundation section, because below this roof plan is the instruction you need to follow for the foundation. So after that, you have the elevation, which is the approach view, the front of the building, then the left side elevation, because we have 4 elevations in everything. So that is number 1. Then number 2 is the rear elevation, that's the back side of it and the right side of it. This arrangement is very important in anything you are doing. It's very important. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Then after that, that is when you will now come to your fence layout. Now you can see this is the fence detailing. After building a house, you have to fence it. This is the fence detailing. So from the fence detailing, that is when you will now start thinking about the structural instructions. We have instructions to follow. Like as an architect, there are things you're supposed to indicate for the engineer to understand what and what to work with. So from there, the next thing you need to do is your mechanical drawing or your electrical drawing. There are 2 things, any which one you arrange first, electrical or mechanical, both works together. So right now I'm going to show you the electrical drawing of this particular building. That's what I'm going to show you, how the lighting spots, the power units and everything, the load distribution, everything is well and carefully calculated. You can see very well as it's showing here. Everything is well and carefully calculated, because you can't play with these parts. Sometimes you bypass this part, then use it for our initiative. But if you are working a complete building plan, you need this part. You can't bypass it. These are the load distribution of that particular electrical section. The load, the lighting point, the socket layout, the labeling, the indicators and everything. This is where we state them. So after this section, the next thing you go into is your mechanical. That's what is the mechanical part of it, like the plumbing parts, the toiletries, the kitchens, the floor drain, the chambers, the safety tanks, then everything. That is what mechanical is all about. There is a complete tutorial on how to set up a building plan for printing. I have a complete tutorial. You can see it's up here. How to set up a building plan for printing. Now these are still on the mechanical part of it. Don't just design and label anyhow then go and submit for a client. It looks like you don't know your job. In anything you are doing, mostly when it comes to detailing, please, I'm sounding this as not just as a notice but as a warning. When it comes to detailing, carefully detail your plan very well. Carefully detail your plan, that even in your absence you will be praised and not be cursed. I've come across so many jobs here, the architect just design nonsense. Then when the plan is sent to me, I'll be like, who is this person that did this job? You understand? So please, when you are doing your detailing work, carefully follow detailing. Don't rush it. If the job didn't pay you well, it's better you don't do it than you doing a job that at the end of the day the job looks like, I don't know how to put it, but don't do a job that is going to suppress your comfort abilities. Do a job that at least you'll be okay doing them. So after you have set up all those things, the next thing you need to think about is your printing layout. Now you see that all these things that I just showed you, they are the PDF. They are the PDF file of it. I've taken them from ArchiCAD. Now I've converted to PDF, ready for printing. And once I print these files, I can go and submit to client the soft copy and the hard copy. That's what I'm going to submit to the client: soft copy and hard copy. Because I can't just submit only the hard copy and the client does not have the soft copy. I like giving the client both copies. Yes, I like giving the client both copies. So I know that many people think that this video is irrelevant or I'm just trying to waste your time. It's not like it's like a waste of time. No, I'm trying to show you guys that these are the things that you really need to focus on when you are doing any design. You need to focus on all those things. It's not modeling. We have so many people out there that are just after modeling. No, you need to be careful in your detailing. You need to detail carefully so that you will not give the construction engineer or the builder stress. You need to maintain a standard design method. Your detailing needs to be neat. You can see very well that this plan was designed by me. Yeah, I'm the CEO of Nice Touch Construction Nigeria Limited. And in case you want to reach out to me, maybe you're finding difficulties in downloading any of the architectural softwares or the rendering softwares, my number is on this particular section. You can see I'm going to zoom it. I'll make it zoom so you're going to see my number, because I made a video on how to download all the architectural software for YouTube took it down. So in case you want to get in touch with me, just pick my number from this section. Pick my number from there. Right, you don't need to call me. Just send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'm going to give you the link to how you can download all the architectural softwares and installation guide without stress. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Like when I say everything, I mean everything that you need to know. I'm going to show you then. So now you can see that this is the plan. I printed the plan. You can see everything that I showed you from the PDF is what I just printed. And this particular project, I'm going to go on live when I'm doing the setting out. This particular project I just designed is currently on preparation for setting out. I'm going to build this structure maybe before the end of this week or next week, and I'm going to show you guys that I designed and I built. That is what I always tell my subscribers, that anything you are doing, dedicate your time to it. Dedicate your time to it. Make sure you perfect it. Though we know nobody is perfect, even me, I'm not perfect, but try your possible best to design and know what you are doing. So you can see, guys, so in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment. In case you know that there is anything that I'm lacking, please educate me if you know it. I'm ready to learn, because we are all learners. I'm so ready to learn. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. In case you want us to teach you anything, just tell me what you want, and I'm ready to go. I've been so busy, that's why I've been dropping videos slowly lately. But in case you want me to treat anything, just drop it on the comment section, and I'm going to get it done. Thank you guys. Love you. Enjoy your view.